Hi guys, the Palisade Fire, a devastating wildfire that swept through Los Angeles, California, has left many residents dealing with the aftermath of property damage and loss. If you are one of the affected homeowners or business owners, navigating the insurance claims process can be overwhelming. In this video, we'll walk you through the Palisade Fire insurance claims process step by step. The first step is to contact your insurance provider. It's immediate. Reach out to your insurance provider as soon as possible to report the damage. Have your policy number and a detailed description of the damage ready. Your insurance provider will guide you through the initial steps and provide information on the claims process. Now we come to the step 2 and it says to document the damage within 24 to 44 hours. Take photos and videos of the damaged property including exterior and interior damage, personal belongings and valuables, any visible structure damage. Make a list of damaged or lost items including their value and purchase date. This documentation will be crucial in supporting your insurance claim. Now, next is the step number 3. Meet with an adjuster within 3 to 5 days. An insurance adjuster will contact you to schedule a meeting to assess the damage. Be prepared to provide your policy information, documentation of the damage, a detailed account of the events leading up to the damage. The adjuster will evaluate the damage and provide an estimate of the repairs or replacement costs. Step number 4 is submit a claim form within 1 to 2 weeks. Your insurance provider will provide a claim form which you will need to complete and submit. Ensure you include a detailed description of the damage, supporting documents like photos, videos, receipts, a list of damaged or lost items. Now there is step number 5. Review and negotiate the settlement within 2 to 4 weeks. Your insurance provider will review your claim and provide a settlement offer. Carefully review the offer to ensure it covers the full extent of the damage. If you are not satisfied with the offer, you can negotiate with your insurance provider. Here are some additional tips. First of all, keep detailed records of all communications with your insurance provider, including dates, times, and conversation details. Next, consider hiring a public adjuster to help navigate the claims process and ensure you receive a fair settlement. Then, be patient and persistent throughout the claim process. By following these steps and tips, you will be equipped to navigate the Palisades fire insurance claims process and receive the compensation you deserve. Remember to stay organized, persistent, and patient throughout the process. This video is only for educational purposes. Contact your insurer for more information.